Hey people, hi, good afternoon. Thank you for joining today with Feji Arts and Crafts. I am Prachi from Artscoop Creations, and today I'll be showing you a bottle art which you can use as a gift or as a home decor product. It's a very easy and simple DIY bottle art. So all you need is a glass bottle, a transparent one, then you need some brushes, then you need colors, acrylic colors specifically, and some glue. So I'll start with the session now. I'll have some white color here, and if you don't have brushes then it's fine, you can use a dabbing brush as well. Okay, so let's start. If you have any queries or if you can't see my video, then just let me know. So I'll start, or I'll wait for few people to join in. We'll wait for 2 minutes so that people can join in. So it is advisable to use a transparent transparent bottle, because if you use a dark bottle, then the lights which we are going to put inside won't come out properly. So your product won't look that beautiful as you want. So always take a transparent bottle with a big base. Okay, so we'll start now, and meanwhile I'll introduce myself also. So I am a media planner, and I work as a media planning in a corporate company, and also I work as an artist in my free time. So you can see this is a dabbing sponge which I'm using on the bottle. You can see this is a dabbing sponge which I'm using on the bottle. If you don't have a dabbing sponge, you can use brushes as well, but make sure you use your brushes very lightly, because the strokes might be visible, and then the whole look will just go in a bad way. So I'm dabbing it. If you have if you need any ideas, or you have any doubts related to this bottle art or any type of art, you can always ping me on my page, that is Artscoop Creations. You can find it on Instagram. I am always active on my page. You can find different products also. If you want to know about how I made that particular product, you can also ask me that. I'll always be happy to help you to know how I made that product. So once you are finishing this off, I will let you know that this takes a little time to dry up. Okay, so it takes almost 2 to 3 hours to completely dry up. Sorry, there was a connection problem. Hello. Yeah. So apply this coat evenly so that it won't look uneven from any side. If you can see how I am applying the color, you can also use brushes. I am repeating this. No problem if you don't have a sponge. You can always use brushes. Use flat brush. Don't use round brushes for this. Flat brush of any 6 or 7 number will be a great, so that you can put the color properly, evenly on the surface. Apply it from all the sides, from all the parts. And once, you can see within 2 to 3 minutes I completely applied my base coat on the bottle, so it doesn't take a lot of time, but yes, it will take time to dry up. Okay, so do not put or touch this bottle unless and until it is dried up completely. You can see I've put color from all the sides. Okay, now while this is getting dried up, what I'll do is I have a spare bottle which I have kept ready for you to show the further process. This is the bottle that I've painted before. I've applied the base coat properly and it is totally dried up in 4 to 5 hours. So now I'm completely ready to use this bottle. Okay, so you can see how it looks. The color looks very even and you can see it is properly blended. There's no fingerprints or no brushes strokes visible on this. Okay, so what you need to do is take any brush, maybe 1 or 2 number brush, and take some black color. Take black color. If you have seen the photo of the product which I am showing you, then you will have an idea. Let me know if I am visible. Okay, and I'll start drawing on it. Make sure you use the brush very lightly and properly. Observe your strokes properly. Use the brushes very lightly because this needs a little practice. So if you just press the brush on the bottle, then the strokes will look bad. So use it very lightly. So if you want to know anything about any art and craft product, especially handmade, you can always ask me on my page. You can direct message me there. Whenever I see your message, I will reply and solve all your doubts. This is the base of the tree that you have seen. Once you are finished with the stems, take a round brush. Don't rub the brush on the color because it might come out, so be very light while using the brushes. I'm done with this part. I'll take a very small tip brush. This is, I guess, 000 brush. Take it and apply it here. Draw the stems nicely, very lightly, very lightly. I'll show you how it looks. Make sure your strokes are thin at the end and not very thick, otherwise the look will not look nice. You can see the tree is getting ready. So which colors, mostly people ask me which colors do we use on the bottle. So I recommend to use, for this particular art, you always use acrylic colors so that the colors don't come out. And if you're using anything else, then you can use glass colors, which looks very nice on glass. Then you can also never use poster colors or tube colors, because that won't fix on the bottle and will come out after few time. You can see it's getting ready. This tree only will take some time because this need a little detailing work. Make sure you fill up the gaps properly so that the tree will look very nice. If you keep space in between the branches, then it won't look nice. Use the brush very lightly. This bottle can be used as a home decor product and also a bottle lamp, because it is very attractive. It looks very nice when you put the lights in it and when you switch it on at night or in a dark room. So it looks very pretty. You can give it as a gift to your friends, or you can use it in your house as a home decor. Very easy to make DIY product. You can see the tree is getting ready slowly. have a little patience when you draw this tree so that it will come out very nicely. If you can see the tree, wherever you feel that you need to give more strokes, fill up that gap. You can draw any design on this. You can draw moon, stars, whatever you like. It will, at the end, it will give a very nice look when you put the lights inside it. You need cork light for this, which you can fix it on the bottle. You can find many such different products on my page also. You can just go and visit Artscoop Creations and ask how did I make that. I will be happy to tell. If you can see the tree, I hope the light is proper and visible. You can see the tree. So my tree is almost getting ready, almost done. Make sure you make a round. It should look like a tree. Before drawing anything on the bottle, make sure your base coat is properly dried up, because if the base coat is not dried up completely, the color might come out. So let the color dry up for 4 to 5 hours. If you feel if you need to give another coat, apply a second coat on it. So my tree is ready. I hope it's visible properly. And now I will show you what to do next. You need a thread, this kind of thread, and a Fevibond or Fevicol. Put it on the, let this tree dry. Till then you work on the upper part of the bottle. Take some thread, take some glue, take some glue, apply it properly on the tip so that you can stick the thread on it. You need to hold this properly so that you don't mess up with the color. Okay. So take a tip of this thread and start applying. Hold it properly. Don't leave gap in between the thread, otherwise it will not look good. Apply some glue again from all the sides. This will give a very raw and rough look to the bottle, just as the tree. It goes with the theme. That's why I'm putting up this thread on the bottle. You can see this glue sticks properly. Apply it. This 3/4 part will cover up with the thread. Once you know if this is proper, you can just cut it out, the extra one. I'll stick it here. And I'll cut it out the rest. Take a scissor and cut the rest. Stick it properly. So wherever you feel that extra threads are coming out, you can cut that with a scissor to look more neat and tidy. This is how your bottle will look after putting the thread on it. make sure it is stuck properly. Then once you are done with this part, give it a final touch. This is how it will look. Once you are done with this, I think my black color is also dried up properly. What I'll do is I'll take some glossy varnish. Take glossy varnish and apply it on your bottle so that you seal all the colors properly. The colors won't come out. Take the varnish and apply it directly on the color. Make sure your color is dried up properly. My color is not yet dried up. I'll wait for some time. You can use a dryer or a blow dryer if you have to dry up this. Till then, I'll take a cork light. This is how a cork light looks. Put it inside. This will look very pretty in dark room. Gives a very nice and elegant look to your room. Put it inside the whole thing. The strings are very delicate, so handle it properly, very lightly. And I'll fix this here. So your base is ready. Your base is ready. Now just apply a thin layer of glossy varnish. You can get glossy varnish in any of the art and craft stores. You get two types of varnish. One is glossy, one is matte. So I prefer using a glossy varnish for this bottle. You can use a matte one, but the look will not enhance that much with the matte varnish. So I am using a glossy one here so that my colors get sealed up properly on the bottle and it won't come out. So use a fine coat of varnish on this. This varnish depends which varnish you are using. It takes some time to dry up, but don't worry. Use a flat brush. So that your work becomes easy and faster. remember the base coat will take some time to dry up. Put colors on it after it is dried up completely. I have taken a spare bottle to show you the further process. I have kept the bottle here for drying up. So make sure you dry up the color and then use your bottle. I am repeating this. So the bottle is ready. Once you switch on the light, I'll show you how it looks in dark. Give me a minute. You can see this is how it looks in dark. You can see it from all the sides. The color is evenly coated. It gives a very nice look. So you can use it in the daytime, it looks like this. At night it will look like this. So hope you all like the video. It's a very easy DIY making bottle. You can use it as a home decor product or a gift for somebody you like it, or your family, friends, anybody. So if you have any queries related to this product or any other art and craft that you wish to make, you can always ping me on my page Artscoop Creations. I'll be happy to share my ideas and techniques which will be very helpful for you all. So, and thank you. I would like to thank Feji Arts and Crafts for this opportunity. So someone is asking what is the name of the light. So these lights are cork lights. You can get it in a hardware store. You can just tell them fairy lights also. So and these are easily available, so not to worry. You can get it on Amazon as well, or any art and craft store, not a problem. So, and also for people who are new and making art for the first time, if you are not comfortable with brushes, you can use a permanent marker on this to draw the tree, but make sure you don't use the marker in a harder way, because the color might come out. And you can draw any design on the bottle. It's not compulsory that you draw the same thing. You can draw anything. You can customize it. Even if you need any ideas for customizable products, you can ping me on my page. I'll be there to help you. So thank you everyone who have joined in today and supported me. Thank you so much. Thank you Feji Arts and Crafts for this opportunity. Thank you so much. I'll log out.